Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel Playland Family. What is the primary goal of financial management? Answer: maximizing shareholder wealth. The primary goal of financial management is to maximize the wealth of the shareholders, as represented by the market price of the company's stock. This objective ensures that management is working in the best interest of the owners of the company. Which regulatory body is primarily responsible for overseeing the banking sector in India? Answer: Reserve Bank of India, RBI. The RBI is the primary regulatory body responsible for overseeing and regulating the banking sector in India. It ensures financial stability, formulates monetary policy, regulates and supervises financial institutions, and fosters overall economic development. What is the tool of monetary policy used to control the money supply? Answer: open market operations. Open market operations, OMOs, are a tool used by central banks to control the money supply by buying or selling government securities, helping to manage inflation and control interest rates. What is the accounting equation? Answer: assets is equal to liabilities plus equity. The accounting equation represents the relationship between a company's assets, liabilities, and equity, ensuring that the balance sheet remains balanced. What is a certificate of deposit, CD? Answer: a negotiable money market instrument. A certificate of deposit, CD, is a negotiable money market instrument issued by a bank against funds deposited for a specified period, typically offering a higher interest rate than savings accounts. What is the primary function of a stock exchange? Answer: facilitating the buying and selling of securities. The primary function of a stock exchange is to provide a platform for investors to buy and sell securities such as stocks and bonds, ensuring liquidity and price discovery. What is credit risk? Answer: the risk of loss due to a borrower's failure to make payments. Credit risk is the risk of loss that arises from a borrower's inability to repay a loan or meet contractual obligations. What is a bank reconciliation statement? Answer: a statement used to reconcile the bank balance with the company's cash balance. A bank reconciliation statement is prepared to reconcile the differences between the bank balance as per the bank statement and the cash balance as per the company's records. What is a derivative? Answer: a financial instrument whose value is derived from an underlying asset. A derivative is a financial instrument, such as options or futures, that derives its value from the performance of an underlying asset, like stocks, bonds, or commodities. What is the primary objective of monetary policy? Answer: controlling inflation. The primary objective of monetary policy is to control inflation, stabilize the currency, and achieve sustainable economic growth by managing the money supply and interest rates. What is mobile banking? Answer: performing banking transactions using a mobile device. Mobile banking allows customers to perform banking transactions like fund transfers, bill payments, and account inquiries using a mobile device. What is capital budgeting? Answer: the process of planning and managing a firm's long-term investments. Capital budgeting involves evaluating and selecting long-term investments that are in line with the company's strategic objectives and provide value to shareholders. What is an initial public offering, IPO? Answer: the first sale of a company's shares to the public. An initial public offering, IPO, is the process through which a private company offers its shares to the public for the first time, allowing it to raise capital from public investors. What is the Basel III framework? Answer: a set of international banking regulations developed by the Basel Committee. The Basel III framework is designed to strengthen regulation, supervision, and risk management within the banking sector, focusing on improving the bank's ability to handle shocks from financial stress. What is GAAP? Answer: Generally Accepted Accounting Principles. GAAP is a collection of commonly followed accounting rules and standards for financial reporting, ensuring consistency and transparency in financial statements. What are the 5 C's of credit? Answer: character, capacity, capital, collateral, conditions. The 5 C's of credit are factors used by lenders to evaluate the creditworthiness of a borrower: character, trustworthiness, capacity, ability to repay, capital, financial resources, collateral, security for the loan, and conditions, economic conditions. What is the primary role of a Treasury department in a bank? Answer: managing liquidity and funding. The Treasury Department is responsible for managing the bank's liquidity, funding requirements, and ensuring that the bank has enough cash flow to meet its obligations. What is a real-time gross settlement (RTGS) system? Answer: a system where the transfer of money or securities happens immediately. RTGS systems facilitate the immediate transfer of money or securities, ensuring that transactions are settled as soon as they are processed without any delay. What is operational risk in banking? Answer: the risk of loss due to failed internal processes, people, or systems. Operational risk arises from the failure of internal processes, people, systems, or external events, potentially leading to financial losses. What is an exchange rate? Answer: the price of one currency in terms of another currency. The exchange rate is the rate at which one currency can be exchanged for another, affecting international trade and investment flows. What does the current ratio measure? Answer: a company's ability to pay short-term obligations. The current ratio measures a company's ability to pay off its short-term liabilities with its short-term assets, indicating liquidity. What is a non-performing asset, NPA? Answer: a loan or advance for which the principal or interest payment remains overdue for a period of 90 days. An NPA is a loan or advance where the borrower has failed to make the scheduled payments for at least 90 days, indicating potential default. What is a budget? Answer: a financial plan that estimates income and expenses over a specified period. A budget is a financial plan that outlines expected income and expenditures over a certain period, helping individuals and organizations manage their finances. What is money laundering? Answer: the process of making illegally gained money appear legal. Money laundering involves concealing the origins of illegally obtained money to make it appear as though it was legally acquired. What is a demand deposit account, DDA? Answer: an account from which funds can be withdrawn at any time without notice. A DDA, such as a checking account, allows account holders to withdraw funds on demand without prior notice, providing high liquidity. What is a bond? Answer: a debt security in which the issuer owes the holder a debt. A bond is a fixed income instrument representing a loan made by an investor to a borrower, typically corporate or governmental, with the promise to pay back the principal along with interest. What is a letter of credit, LC? Answer: a document from a bank guaranteeing that a buyer's payment to a seller will be received on time and for the correct amount. An LC is a financial instrument used in international trade to ensure that the seller receives payment under the terms specified in the agreement. What is blockchain? Answer: a decentralized ledger technology used for recording transactions. Blockchain is a digital ledger of transactions that is duplicated and distributed across the entire network of computer systems, ensuring transparency and security. What is GDP? Answer: Gross Domestic Product. GDP is the total value of all goods and services produced within a country over a specific period, serving as a broad measure of economic activity. What is a mutual fund? Answer: An investment vehicle that pools money from many investors to purchase securities. A mutual fund collects money from multiple investors to invest in a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, or other securities, managed by professional fund managers. What is net banking? Answer: The process of conducting banking transactions over the Internet. Net banking, or online banking, allows customers to perform banking activities like fund transfers, bill payments, and account inquiries through the bank's website. What is a balance sheet? Answer: A financial statement that reports a company's assets, liabilities, and equity at a specific point in time. Balance sheet provides a snapshot of a company's financial position, listing its assets, liabilities, and shareholders' equity as of a particular date. What is a time value of money, TVM? Answer: The concept that money available today is worth more than the same amount in the future. TVM is based on the idea that money can earn interest, so a specific amount of money is more valuable the sooner it is received. What is collateral? Answer: An asset pledged by a borrower to secure a loan. Collateral is an asset that a borrower offers to a lender to secure a loan, which can be seized by the lender if the borrower defaults. What is the purpose of the Banking Regulation Act, 1949? Answer: To regulate banking companies in India. The Banking Regulation Act, 1949, provides a framework for regulating and supervising banking firms in India, ensuring the stability and integrity of the banking system. Please subscribe if you like the video. Share and comment for more update. Thank you for watching.